Namaste. In this video, we are going to evaluate this integral. Here, integration 1 upon square root 2x minus x square dx. So, I is equal to integration 1 upon square root 2x minus x square dx. Here, we want to make perfect square. So, here we add 1 and subtract 1. Okay, plus 2x minus x square dx. Integration 1 upon square root 1 minus, from here last three terms we can take common minus. So this is x square, positive x square, this is minus 2x, and this is plus 1 and dx. Here integration 1 upon square root 1 minus, and this one is we can write x minus 1 whole square. We factorize, so we get x minus 1 square, and 1 we can write 1 square. Okay, here we apply this formula, integration 1 upon square root a square minus x square dx. So we get sine inverse x upon a plus c. So sine inverse, here a value 1 and x value x minus 1. So x minus 1 upon 1 plus c. So final answer is sine inverse x minus 1 plus c, and this is our final answer. So very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.